In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two highly profitable business ideas. If you're looking to earn money online, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you two ways in which you can start earning money online if you're really serious. Okay, if you're really serious about them and you want to learn more about them, I'm going to be leaving the link below in the description. Okay, now the first way you can earn money online, because there are several ways, but these are two ways in which I'm currently using, to be honest, and that's the reason why I'm sharing them, because I'm using them. I'm earning money with this. And the first one is going to be with Amazon. Okay, as you know, guys, Amazon is the biggest retail website out there. Okay, you can literally find anything on Amazon, and the first way is by being an Amazon reviewer with the Amazon influencer program. And before you're like, hey, I'm not an influencer, okay, or I already know about Amazon, listen up, guys, okay, because chances are that there is something that you don't know. Okay, first of all, by being an Amazon influencer or being part of the Amazon influencer program, you don't need to have a huge following, okay? No huge following. You don't need to have a website, so no website, okay? So this might sound something that you are going to be interested, okay? So you don't need to have a huge following. You don't need to have a website. And don't worry, you don't need to be thinking about, driving traffic, building a website, building funnels, doing email marketing and all this stuff. No. Okay? With the Amazon Influencer Program, literally what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be sharing your opinion about products that you already have in your house. Okay, you don't need to purchase them on Amazon, but you need to make sure that they are listed on Amazon. Okay, for example, we have this coffee maker. Okay, you're going to notice here. Okay, you're going to notice here that we have images, and here we have 6 videos. Okay, here we have 6 videos. Okay, chances are is that one of the video is for the company per se. You can see here, and here we have related videos. Okay, these are actually regular people, the first ones. Okay, not customers. Okay, we are not going to be doing this. Okay, you can do it, but you're not gonna get paid. Okay, so this is actually people, regular people, who are sharing their experience with this coffee maker. If we scroll down, you're gonna notice that we have the videos here as well. Okay, you have here comparison videos, people talking about the coffee maker, doing a demo. Okay, and you're gonna notice, I want to make sure that we're on the same page, okay? You're going to notice here it says earn commission, okay? Here you're going to notice earn commission. What does this mean? This means that this person, she's actually doing a review, sharing her experience with the coffee maker, doing a demo. And if someone watch it and they make a purchase, she's going to be earning a commission. She do not need to be incentivizing the sale. She just need to talk about the product. And you're going to notice that we do have some other products here as well. So if for some reason the person do not purchase the product, but the person watched the video and decided to go ahead and buy this one, she is going to be earning a commission. So this is actually really, really incredible because these are really short videos. Okay, here you're going to see this person recorded even with the cell phone. That's one is actually vertical. You're going to see here we have a 2-minute video. This is a 3-minute video because this person is doing a comparison. Okay, this person is actually doing a comparison. That's why it's a little bit longer. But here we have a 2-minute video. Here we have another 2-minute video. Okay, so literally, Amazon is gonna be paying you just for sharing your opinion. And they're going to be placing the video here. That's what it's called on site. Okay, they're going to be putting here on Amazon, so you don't need to worry about driving traffic. You notice that you don't need to have a fancy camera. You don't need to be show on camera. Okay, because I already show you the videos here. Here we have again. Okay, here we have another video. Okay, this person decides to go ahead and show himself. Here we have a, oh, this is a customer video. Sorry, my bad. This is not the video. Okay, it's this one. Okay, this person is, okay, it's actually Nikki. She's not showing herself. She's literally just showing the coffee maker, doing a demo, and that's it. So if you're interested about learning about how to be a reviewer and be part of the Amazon Influencer Program, and again, you don't need to have a huge following, okay? I'm gonna be leaving a link below so you can learn more about this. This is the very first way of how you can actually earn money, okay? And I'm actually doing this, and I can tell you guys, this is actually really easy, really simple, okay? But you need to be approved by Amazon, and there is an actual training that shows you how you can actually do this, okay? So the second way you can actually earn, okay? Remember, I'm talking about 2 highly profitable business ideas. This is the first one I'm doing. The second one I'm doing, it's with high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, with high ticket affiliate marketing. So that means that there are companies out there besides Amazon who are actually paying us to recommend their products and services, but you are going to be earning a commission that is going to be of at least $1,000. Sometimes people say like, hey, any commission above 500 is high ticket. We can take that. Okay, so literally by selling, or, well, you're not going to be doing this sale. You're going to be recommending products to people, okay? You can earn $1,000, okay? So you don't have to create a product. You don't have to do customer service. You don't have to be giving people support, taking care of refunds and all this stuff. Okay, so if you're interested in learning this, okay, this is actually how it works, just to give you guys an idea. Here we have someone who created product, okay, so I'm going to be putting here a P. Here we have someone, I'm going to use a C as a customer, someone who, okay, they are actually, you know, looking for reviews of a product. They have a problem that they want to solve. Sometimes we are not aware that we have a problem, but if we say like, hey, do you feel like this, and this is what happens, okay, here's the solution, we can be like, hey, oh, I didn't know this was a problem, okay? So here you are, I'm gonna put a Y, okay? Here you are, you're gonna tell these people like, hey, do you want to get more information about this? Okay, sure, here is this product, and when that person make a purchase, you're going to be earning a commission. But remember, this is going with high ticket, okay? So that means that you are going to be earning, well, some people say at least $500, so I'm going to put it here, 500. But for me, it's at least $1,000, okay? So if you want to learn more about this, full in-depth training, I'm going to be leaving a link below as well, so you can actually do them both. Why not? Or if you're like, hey, you know, I want to go all in with Amazon because it sounds something more appeal to me, you can do that. If you are like, no, let me go all in with high ticket affiliate marketing, you can do that. Right now, these are the 2 businesses I'm developing. They go hand in hand. They are pretty passive, of course. First, you need to learn how to do this. Second of all, you need to apply what you learn, because if you do not apply, you're not going to get any kind of results. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, share this content with someone you think he or she might be interested. And this is it for this video, and I see you on the next video.